how to sign in on Netflix in your smart TV using QR code. So okay guys, first things you can do is go to Netflix on your smart TV. Here in Netflix homepage, you can see here the sign in button. Okay, you can click this. And now you can see here the option. You can use the phone or remote. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use this QR code. Okay, you'll have to do in your mobile phone is go to camera and scan the QR code. And you can see here the option. So open the QR code or copy the link and open on your any browser. So for my example, I open in Safari. So make sure the Netflix account you create is signed in on this browser. And after that, you can see here the confirm the code display on your TV. So okay, you'll have to stop the continue button. As you can see, the code is same in your TV or smart TV. So you'll have to stop the continue. And okay, you have successfully enjoyed the Netflix on your TV. Okay, we have successfully signed in the Netflix account in your smart TV using the QR code. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.